You ever see your dog do that? That's a reverse sneeze. A lot of dogs do that when they get excited. He's fine. It's a reverse sneeze. He did it for about, it took some time for me to get the camera out of my pocket, but he did it for 10 seconds. You know, that's all it is. It's called a reverse sneeze. It's nothing. He's fine. He's been going nuts because he knows mom's coming. He's very excited. So if you see your dog doing that, it's really nothing to worry about. And you'll see dogs do that actually. See, he's sort of still doing it. The dog that's used for, you can still hear him, that sleeps on his master's grave or whatever, you know, they say that he's crying. He's not crying, he's doing a reverse sneeze. That's what it is, that's all it is. And no dog has ever slept on his master's grave every night. That's a bullshit story on the internet. It's bullshit. After you're gone, your dog isn't gonna bat an eye. This is how it is. They don't think, they don't ponder thought. It's the truth. No dog cries, okay? They're not crying. It's a reverse sneeze. And now he's not sneezing. See? Look. He's gonna get excited and reverse sneeze again. You know? Look at how cute that dog is. Look at Joopy. Oh, he's crying. Joopy was crying. Joopy, were you crying? I don't think so. His mom's here. He's going to be pretty excited to see her.